Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. Now let's scroll down and tap on Software Information, and here we have to find the build number. All you have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in a developer mode. So we can go back to the general settings, and right under the About Phone we've got the developer options, so let's enter. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show text ID, we can change some Bluetooth options, we can show visual feedback for tabs, show layout bounds, and so on and so on. So in order to turn on the feature, just tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Obviously you can turn it off the same way, just by tapping on the switcher. If you can see the options without the switcher, for example like here, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced options. So if you're done with customization of developer options and if you'd like to turn them off, all you have to do is to simply tap on this switcher, and as you can see, most of the options are inactive right now. So we can go back, and they immediately actually disappear from the general settings. Of course, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build numbers tab and keep tapping. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your Samsung Galaxy M22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.